Dude, I don't trust this thing.
I don't trust you.
And why are you with me?
What should I get?
Yet.
What should I get?
Poser.
I finna want cookies.
I kinda want cookies.
No, I finna.
What?
Finna.
I like fella.
No, ghetto fabulous. Okay?
I still don't trust this thing.
Oh, look at this. That's a lot. It's my weed money.
Is that your street money?
No, my weed.
Your weed money?
My plant.
You have a plant?
My plant money.
I asked you get a 50? She had 50. I had 100 once.
My grandpa gave me 100 by accident.
How?
Like, yeah.
How did he give you 100 by accident?
He thought it was a 50. And he was like, wait, Jasmine, did I give you the 50 or the 100? I was like, 100. She was like, no, that's for your mom. I was like, damn.
You should have said you had 50.
No, I wouldn't lie to my grandpa. He's beautiful.
I still don't trust this damn thing. It has like this weird ass robot arm thingy and yeah.
What's
Yeah,
Which
jump.
one's the good one?
I think it's the red one.
The red one?
Yeah.
What?
E4.
C9.
No, the fizz.
C9.
Oh, the fizz? I don't know. I don't try fizz. It tastes like apple cider.
It does? Ew.
Yeah, it does.
Well, then I'll get Propel.
Yeah. Get the E4.
Who wants my change?
Me.
I need a quarter.
Slut.
Can I have some?
No, you can't.
Wait, who gave you that money? Raul?
No.
She got it from her
It's
corner.
my street money.
Here, I'll do the 25.
Slut. That's what I thought.
Wait.
No, but I don't go
I
around.
have the 50. 25, whatever.
You're a bitch. No.
There.
Last year.
E.
You made me drop my...
Wait. You want the red propel, right?
Yeah.
Wait, oops. No, it's E. And
go.
what the fuck is it? Oh. See, that's why I don't trust that damn thing.
What did she ask? One of the
I didn't... That's
So
cool.
Yeah, but it's like weird.
Well, why'd you buy
Wow,
from
I'm not
yesterday if you
taking
don't
my
trust
dollar
it?
anymore.
Because I just wanted to waste my money for some reason. That's why I was going to take it out.
It would be
What the
there.
hell? It's not doing it. You're gonna break it.
Bitch. Okay. You listened? Refreshing drinks to my ass. Dude, I'm gonna spend like $20 today for a 5-sack.
Yep.
A what?
5-sack.
A 5-sack?
It's like... Oh, snap! I'll give you Oh!
I think you broke it.
Oh, my bad.
No!
Come on, bitch. Snap my finger. Dude.
It's like...
You should try to get that fizz out like that.
I should like put my hand there.
What happens if it gets it?
Oh, it. No. Huh. I broke you, huh?
Wow, Jasmine.
No.
Try buy something again.
No. These are nasty.
I think it's retarded.
What if I trapped my phone in there, dude? Slut. And it like goes up there. Oh shit.
Your phone would be like $1.25.
Say, no, get my money.
Are you texting Jesus?
No.
Who are you texting?
It's Jesus.
Mexican Jesus?
Or just call him Jesus.
I think you fucked it up.
Oh well, let it be broken and shit.
It's a worn out whore.